Качал, братан, кач. Кач, братан. Братан, снимай, братан.
Öldü.
Öldü? Снимай, братан. А, нет, братан, он еще не умер. Снимай,
Мен трейлерім.
Снимай, братан.
They're currently removing some of the damaged state trooper vehicles. Well, they're working on it. There's a couple tow trucks here. State police are trying to clean up the scene. As you can see behind me, several drivers who have been here since, I guess, the early hours of this morning when the incident happened have been here sleeping, trying to get out, and they're stuck here until state police can clear up the scene and get some of these cars moved out and clear up their investigation. So I will continue to update y'all as we get